Hello and welcome to Prudent Media News. Now look at the headlines. The India Against Corruption's mass call to Gons to launch a strong and massive agitation for a Jan Lokyukta movement asks for an enactment before the upcoming polls. Headmasters Association calls Special General Modi meet to decide the fate of 1st to 8th pass circular. Babu says enforcement of circular must. Poll result give a Friday the 13th shock to the ruling parties in 3 states. It's Mamata in West Bengal, Jaya in Tamil Nadu, UPF in Kerala and Gogoi in Assam. Boxing administrator Lenny Digama says Goan boxers will produce powerful performance in the Federation Cup. And now the news in detail. The India Against Corruption has given a mass call to the Goans for a strong and massive agitation for a Jan Lokyukta bill on the lines of Jan Lokpal bill at the centre. The public meet at the Azad Maidan made a strong appeal to the Goans to launch an agitation to get the draft bill through before the upcoming assembly polls. A massive meeting on the fight against corruption was held in Panji. Large crowd attended the meeting and gave huge response for the meet. The absence of Anna was not felt as Swami Agnivesh, Arvind Kejriwal and Kiran Bedi led the front.
और मैंने कहा है कि आदित्य जी, आप पद तो संभाल चुके हो, आपकी सबसे पहली जिम्मेदारी है नीलेश के ऊपर जिसने भी वार किया उस बदमाश को पकड़ करके और यहाँ पर हथकड़ी लगा करके इस बाजार में आप उसको पूरा घुमाओ.
An interaction was also held at Ravindra Bhavan in Madgaon. Arvind Kejriwal, Swami Agnivesh, Advocate Satish Sonak and others were present for the meet. They interacted with the youth on tackling the systemic corruption. Arvind Kejriwal informed that Lokpal bill must be passed by the parliament in coming monsoon session or else people will hit the streets once again.
हमें उम्मीद नहीं है कि ये जॉइंट कमेटी या सरकार इसको एज इट इज मानने वाली है. जॉइंट कमेटी की मीटिंग्स शुरू हुई हैं, लेकिन अगर जॉइंट कमेटी ये नहीं मानती या जॉइंट कमेटी के बाद पार्लियामेंट ये नहीं मानती तो हमें सड़कों के ऊपर फिर से उतरना पड़ेगा. Are you ready for that?
Another such meeting was held at Santoshi Mata Temple in Vasco. Kiran Bedi, while addressing the crowd, urged the youth to come forward to fight against corruption. She also asked the people to elect the non-corrupt candidate.
लड़कियां और लड़के नौजवान इसके लिए उतरे, गांव-गांव में जैसे मैं स्पीच दे रही हूँ जाके बताएं कि हम क्यों मांग रहे हैं और शर्त ये हो हम उसको एमएलए को वोट देंगे जो हमें गारंटी करेगा कि इस साल में इलेक्शन से पहले हम उसी को वोट देंगे जो असेंबली में हमारे लिए लोक आयुक्त लाएगा.
ब्यूरो रिपोर्ट, प्रूडेंट मीडिया. Goa Headmasters Association has scheduled a special general body meeting on Monday to discuss the circular that demands passing all students of 1st to 8th standard. However, there are more chances that Headmasters Association will opt for implementing the circular from next academic year, that is 2011 to 2012. However, the Education Minister Babush Monserrat has made it clear that the circular must be implemented from the last academic year. Goa Headmasters Association held their executive meeting on Friday. Headmasters say they are not against the right to education, but the method of implementation isn't proper. Association feels continuous comprehensive evaluation of the RTE is very essential for both the teachers and children. It gives proper guidelines under the Right to Education Act.
This circular, they have mentioned Rule 16, but we are following the old rules. And that too from 5th to 7th it is by the controlled by the Department of Education, and then for 8th it is controlled by the board. So board should have sent us the circular stating that you have to change the standard for passing examination. They don't do that. We want proper guidelines to promote those who are failing.
Association has also questioned the circular as the government requires to notify the decision of passing all the students of 1st to 8th. Goa Headmasters Association also claims they should get circular from the Goa board over changing the procedure of passing the students.
And all, like, we should continue it next year, because you have to plan. You simply cannot do it. You have to draft the rules. You have to notify the stakeholders, the headmasters. Simply at all, the department cannot make rules and say, come on, carpet down.
There should be gathered notification of
Yes, exactly. And you have to plan it step by step. You have to do it, because the rules that we have used now for promotion are different.
Association will have the general body meeting on Monday. They have over 250 members across Goa. Association future course of action is likely to be decided during the meeting.
Passing of the students from first until the 8th and all this. So we have already made it very clear that government's directives should be followed, or the director of education's directives should be followed in total. There is no question of anyone complaining about it. That's one thing, and that will be done, and that will be implemented. No, we are going to do. We have got to form, in fact, the advisory body and all those things will be in process. As I assured you, I said before this academic year comes, these things will be in place.
A senior reporter from Panchi, Rakesh Kandulkar, with video journalist Sunny Narvikar. It's Friday the 13th and General Assembly polls of the 4 states have spoken. Mamata Banerjee's TMC will sit at riotous building ending 34 years of left rule in Bengal. DMK patriarch M. Karunanidhi has bowed to arch rival Jayalalitha, who is headed for a landslide win in Tamil Nadu. Tarun Gogoi will remain CM in Assam, and the winds of change have swept across Kerala.
One regime has fallen and another has returned. The most royal political party of recent times, the Congress, has stormed to victory in one state and scraped through another. It's Mamata's TMC Raj in West Bengal, whereas in Tamil Nadu it is ADMK's Jaya Raj. Tarun Gogoi will continue in his Congress rule for the 3rd term in Assam as CM, and in Kerala, VS Achyutanandan's ruling LDF will now sit in the opposition with United Democratic Front in power. Here are the poll results. West Bengal total strength 294, TMC 226, left 63, others 5. Tamil Nadu total strength 234. AIADMK 198, DMK 33 and others 3. Kerala total strength 140, UDF 72, LDF 68, others 0. Assam total strength 126, Congress 78, AIUDF 18, AGP 8, BPE 14, BJP 5 and others 3. Bureau Report, Prudent Media.
RTI activist Arvind Kejriwal says Jan Lokpal bill is expected to be drafted by 30th June and the parliament may pass it by 15th August. Kejriwal has expressed need of more Anna Hazares and Baba Ramdevs to fight against corruption. The second phase of India Against movement will be launched from Goa today. Arvind Kejriwal and Swami Agnivesh initiated the campaign on Friday. Soon after the public meeting in Madgaon at Ravindra Bhavan, Swami Agnivesh and RTI activist Arvind Kejriwal, along with the other activists, visited the Hospicia Hospital in Madgaon. They had a word with the president of Kaure Adivasi Bachao Samiti, Nilesh Kaunkar. Nilesh was attacked by some unknown persons at Verna Industrial Estate on Thursday. He has been admitted to Hospicio. Swami Agnivesh said he will press hard for the arrest of the culprits.
और जिन्होंने ये अटैक किया है उनको वो गिरफ्तार करे और जो माइन के ओनर्स हैं जो अपने आप को सारा मालिक का फ़ायदा उठा रहे हैं उनको भी गिरफ्तार करके उनको सज़ा देनी चाहिए। ये मांग हम लोग उठा रहे हैं पूरी ताकत के साथ।
Meanwhile, activists of India Against Corruption held an anti-corruption campaign at the Secretariat in Porvorim.
I am against corruption. Are you? हांव भ्रष्टाचाराचे आड आसात, तुम्ही आसात आनी हो स्टिकर लायतकच एक खंय तरी तांच्या मदल्या जे विचार आसात त्या विचारांमध्ये एक परिवर्तन येतले आणि तांच्या हातांतल्यान बरीच कृती घडटली.
Earlier on Thursday, while speaking to media, RTI activist Arvind Kejriwal said that Jan Lokpal bill is expected to be drafted by 30th June and the parliament may pass it by 15th August. He has expressed need of more Anna Hazares and Baba Ramdevs to fight against corruption.
The problem of corruption is so widespread that we need hundreds and thousands of Anna Hazare ji and Baba Ramdev ji in this country to be able to solve this problem.
Our reporters Samir Bhatt, Surendra Madkekar, Jason Suarez with video journalist Ravindra Dalvi. It's time for a short break. Stay tuned.